Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And as always, make sure you leave a comment down below if you have any questions or want to see anything. Definitely put it down in the comments section. Also, there's a link down below if you want to sign up with Robinhood. It's an affiliate link, but you do get one free stock. And Robinhood allows you to trade fractional shares, which a lot of the others don't. So, as always, let's jump right into it. And here is a potential trade setting up right here. As you guys know, I love my divergence right here. Look at this divergence. We just need price to break down below. Okay. If it breaks down, I'll probably look for a bounce back up. But until price breaks using price action, right, below one of these previous candles, it really is not valid. Now, this is just I'm going to look to do a quick little scalp trade on this, okay? Literally, probably for like one tick at $12.50 a tick. Okay, I'm going to do 5 contracts. So here is the break. What I want to look for is the kickback now. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of wait to see what happens at this 3204 level. As we could see, prices kind of stuck right here at this morning's first hour low, or sorry, high. So it'll be interesting to see what price does as it comes all the way back up here, right? So let's see, let's watch this, okay? I'm going to be watching these levels right here, maybe even the 0375. My stop will go right above here. This is just a classic kickback type of trade with divergence that I love. If you watch a lot of my videos, you'll kind of understand what I'm doing. So my stop will be 3204. I'm just probably, I kind of like this a lot better, this 3204. So let's see what happens over here. I just kind of want to see price and bounce. We are way oversold. I might even take a long, believe it or not. If we break above this candle, we have about 10 seconds left in this candle. At 3203.50 is the high. So if we get a 0375 print on the next candle, I might actually put an order in at 2305.50 and use this below probably the 0275 as my stop. So let's see what happens, okay? We're going to come over here, kind of get everything ready. Again, I want price to break, pull back, fill me at that 0350. So I want to see an 0375 print where I'll probably put an order in at the 0350 level. So, and if this candle doesn't break, we're just following the waterfall straight down, right? Price action. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We're just looking with the market being way oversold. Now, the interesting part is look at this, right? This is barely moving. We're oversold here. So here we're at 03.25. Okay, I'm going to put in, if we do get this, okay, print up to 0350, I'm going to look to probably put a trade in at 03.25, and I will use 3203 as a potential stop, okay? So sometimes it's a kind of a waiting game, especially after hours, but sometimes it's really, really easy to take these trades. So again, if price breaks higher, I'm going to look to put a trade in at 03.25. Okay, and my stop will be 0275. So essentially I'm risking 2 ticks to make 1 tick on this trade. Okay, so now We're still watching. Okay, and these trades are very high probability type of trades. They are slower, but again, we're just looking for one tick. That's it. We're not looking for 10 points, anything like that. We understand it's slow, and it's one of those things where it's kind of like, okay, how could we get in on this trade, right? So we're watching for a 0350, okay? Put the order in. Okay, see if we could get filled here. And all we're trying to do is get a fill here, which we might not be able to, but we're going to move our stop to 3202.75 again, which is right below here. And sometimes we just got to be patient. Wait for this, right? And hopefully we don't miss this trade. Let's do this, right? I'm actually going to go the other way. I'm going to look for a short right here at 3204. Okay. I want to try and get filled at this 3204 and then just see a quick little pullback with our stop one tick up above. So see what happens. We're going to cancel that trade because that trade's no longer going to be valid, right? And here we come. We're filling. Just try and get a fill here. Okay, just need that. And I like this because I won't be surprised if we come right back down here just for a fill. But again, just looking for that fill. And again, one of the hardest parts is the patience, the waiting. And there we go. Finally got filled on it, right? Took all the contracts that were there. And we picked up 5 ticks. 5 times 1250 equals 6250. Not bad for a couple minutes worth of work on a slow market. Here was our kickback trade. Went right to it. I'm not trying to get greedy, just in and out of the trade. I understand after hours it's going to be a really, really slow market. We were oversold, couldn't get filled there, got filled here, and our stop was there. This is one of the reasons I love day trading the S&P Emini futures. It's very, very predictable if you know what you're doing. So with that being said, thank you for watching the video. I hope this helped you in some way or form to be able to kind of sharpen your skills and things to do and how to become patient and waiting for the trade to do its thing. So until next time, we'll talk to you soon, and thank you for watching.